Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your account on the Bitget Crypto Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitget application on your device, and once you log into your account, you will end up within the homepage. Now, if you wish to verify your account, you will see the verify button right at the top of the homepage. You can simply tap on this and you will be shown the requirements. You will need your government-issued documents such as your driver's license or your passport. After providing this document, you will also need to go through a facial recognition process. Tap on the Verify Now button to begin your verification, and you will need to allow access to your camera. Choose your country of residence, enter the issuing region or country, and then choose the identification document type that you will be using to verify your account. After choosing the document, tap on the Next button, and now you can either click a photograph of this document or upload a picture from your gallery. Proceed forward by providing your identity document as well as your selfie verification. And once you submit both of these, your verification process will begin. In just a few minutes, you will receive a notification within your Notifications tab at the top right corner, letting you know that your account has been verified. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your account on the Bitget Crypto Trading App. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.